Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel Blue Chip Algos. In this video, we are going to see how to do a one-time configuration for Aliceblue trading terminal with respect to this Trade Scalper. A Trade Scalper is basically nothing but a scalping tool for day traders and option traders. We have a separate video developed for this, so please go and watch this in case if you haven't watched. But basically, this is just a one-click tool where you can enter into a position along with stop loss in less than a second, and you can also manage multiple trades. You can quickly enter, you can quickly exit. Basically, it's a super fast execution tool that you have probably never seen, and this is phenomenally useful for option traders and scalpers. All right, so that's the tool all about. In this video, what we are going to see is how to do this one-time configuration. Right, when you log in, you need to give a few fields, and we will see how to do this configuration for one time. Right, currently we are supporting four brokers: Zerodha, Finvesia, Angel One, and Aliceblue. And in this video, we will be looking at Aliceblue configuration. And one point to note, this configuration does not just talk about Trade Scalper. In fact, we also have other tools like TradeBots Desktop and Trade Disk also. So for all these applications, the login process is same, right? I mean, the configuration process is same. So whatever that we are going to discuss today, you can apply the same for TradeBots Desktop and Trade Disk as well, right? These are also desktop applications, and the process remains same for all the applications. So the first is user ID. User ID is already prefixed by us, so you cannot change this. It is fixed from the backend at the time of account creation. So you cannot change the user ID. And apart from this user ID, you just need to provide details for four other fields. One is password. Second one is a TOTP. Third is year of birth. It's not MPIN, it's year of birth. We will be renaming this shortly. And then the fourth one is API key. These are the only four fields that you need to configure. And from the next day onwards, it will be auto populated since we are saving it in your local database, right? So password is the same password that you use when you are logging into your Blue trading terminal. Basically, it's nothing but the ANT terminal. You all probably know what is this ANT, and also when you are logging into this ANT terminal, you provide a password, right? So that's the same password you need to provide here as well, right? And then MPIN is nothing but year of birth. You just need to enter the four digits of the year of birth. Please note, this is not the date of birth, this is year of birth. Okay, again the same that you provide while entering into ant terminal. Let me enter into one of my dummy accounts. So while you enter into the trading terminal, it will ask for the password. So first you need to provide the password. So this is the password, and then next it will ask for year of birth, right? So these two are the same details that we are giving over here as well, password and year of birth. And then it will ask for TOTP. Please make a note. When you are logging into the ANT terminal, it will ask you for 6-digit code. But in the app, what we are asking is not the 6-digit code, but we are asking for a TOTP key. It's a lengthy key that you need to enter so that this key will generate 6-digit code on daily basis, and it will not ask you, right? So instead of you entering the 6-digit each and every day, what you have to do is just to provide us this TOTP key, and this TOTP key will take care of the 6-digit code every day. How do you get this TOTP key, right? That's the biggest question. So let's see how to generate this TOTP key now. If you already have it, you can enter it here. But if you do not have it, we will see how to regenerate it. In this screen, in the AND terminal, you have something called problem with external TOTP question mark, right? Below, just below this login button. Hit on that. And once after you hit on that, again, you will have two options, mobile OTP and reset TOTP, right? So first you need to hit on that problem with the TOTP, and then once after you hit on that, again you get this reset TOTP, hit on this reset TOTP. So these are the two steps that you need to do. And then what Aliceblue does is it will send a code to your mobile, because we need to ensure that other person is not resetting for you, right? So you need to first re-enter this code so that Aliceblue gets a confirmation that it is only you who is trying to reset your TOTP, right? So let me enter the code. Right, so once after I enter the code, it gave me a QR code, and then below the QR code you have something called can't scan copy the key. Okay, please note this is the most important point. You need to copy this key and you need to put it here in the application. If you see, uh, this key is something like this. All right, so you need to ensure that you use this diligently. All you have to do is just come here and then put it in this TOTP field, and you also can scan this in your Google Authenticator app, so that in case if you want to manually log in into this ant terminal on daily basis, you get that 6-digit code from Google Authenticator app as well, right? Either you can use this QR code or you can use this key. See, both are same only. It's just that some people who are using a mobile, they would like to scan directly. And if you are using any applications like this, algo applications, then these algo applications need the key. Okay, they can't configure using the QR code. That's why we are asking the key. In fact, both are same only, right? All right. So once after you take this QR code, please don't forget to link it back. Okay. Now, since we have the QR code, first scan it, from your mobile through Google Authenticator app, and then it will start giving you 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code here and then click on enable. If you do this, then the process is successful. So let me enter the 6-digit code now and hit on enable, right? So if you hit on enable, then it will ask you once again for this TOTP. Now let me enter that once again. And you can see that the TOTP creation is successful, right? So now all you have to do is in the left hand menu, you have something called apps. Okay, hit on that. And again, in the top menu, you have something called API key, right? In the left hand side apps and in the top menu, you have something called API key. Just copy this API key, go to your app and put it in this API key field. That's it. That's all you have to do. And select whether you want to trade in paper mode or live mode, and then hit on submit. Remember, from next time onwards, it will not ask you for these details, because these details will be saved in your own laptop or system. And from next time onwards, this application will reuse all those credentials. All right. So that's all you have to do. And in case if you have any difficulty, in case if you are facing any difficulty, just go to bluechipalgos.com contact page, and you have our WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp us, and we will help you in case if you are facing any difficulty. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in some other video next time. Until then, have a great day.